We writers have been overlooked for too long. But our words quietly shape the world. We move hearts, reconnect lovers, heal families. We spark change, with nothing but a blank page. Our words are everywhere, on cereal boxes, medication labels, love letters, bedtime stories, and so much more. We shape how people think, feel, and live. And yet, we're the least paid. The last to be seen. The last to be valued. Not anymore. Whether you're a freelancer, ghostwriter, poet, speechwriter, or someone tired of being overlooked and ready to earn with words without the hustle and grind, this channel is for you. Get Paid to Write with Dan Jean is your bridge to low competition, overlooked writing jobs that pay well, right in your town. Jobs most writers don't even know exist. On this channel, I'll show you how to find and profit from hidden writing jobs, so you can build a writing life that provides for your family, gives you freedom, and feels truly meaningful. You'll also learn how to turn your words, and your passion, into income, purpose, and legacy. And because the writing journey can be tough, we'll bring you funny stories, inspiring clips, original songs, and creative fun to keep you going, even on the hard days. So hit that subscribe button, and let's help turn your words into income and impact. Stick with me, I won't let you down.